Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today not the first time we see our program for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I hope we start today's morning show. Now Martinelli did an interview. For that interview, people they explain say as we Arsenal dey now, say we won't win titles, trophies, we won't win things. So we want to win the Premier League, the FA Cup, the League Cup, and the Champions League. So as I talk about, I just dey smile because na the mentality wey me I expect. And if you remember, I said it one day, say if we win treble this season, Baba, shey na bad thing. Shey we dey forbid am? People dey win and they carry forehead. So I watched the video, I saw when he was saying all these things, I was happy. Now Martinelli said, we really believe we are going to achieve big things this season. We play for Arsenal. We want to win titles. The Premier League, the FA Cup, the League Cup, the Champions League. This is a mentality that everybody at Arsenal have presently. Everybody waiting for the team. They get this same mindset, say, this is our season. And the universe is trying to make everything favor us. Yes. Because look at what is happening to Liverpool. Look at how many games Man City don't lose this season. Yes. Look at Chelsea. Just look at people nobody expect. Manchester United coming back now, coming to rear their ugly heads into the top four. So a lot of things are happening, but we know Man, you are not going for the title. We know Chelsea are not going for it. No matter how you want to look at it, it is between Arsenal, Man City, and Liverpool. Forget any other person. Forget. Now just these three people. Now then if you stake a claim, say okay, we will try to win it. But when you look at Liverpool's next run of games, they will play Aston Villa, they will play Madrid for Champions League, they will come play Man City. By the time they finish this turbulence, and Arsenal when they win their own games, you might see a situation whereby maybe Arsenal would be like 12 points. 12 points ahead of Liverpool. They'll still go Liverpool continue play away, not Forest. Like they are next games that as the they may do the very, very easy. So that's what it just be. So I love what Martinelli said. So I don't know what I really think. It inspires confidence. I'm very happy. Now, looking at today's game, Arsenal versus Crystal Palace at the Emirates Stadium. This Crystal Palace, they get good record for our home. They get very good record. When you look at the last 5 games, we don't play against Crystal Palace at the Emirates Stadium. We only won 2. Crystal Palace got 3 draws. Last season, they draw 2-2 here. Look at their record. They still draw 2-2 again, draw 0-0. So that's why I think they clamor for all the support he can get. Which is why, for me, I think it is not the ideal time for Gabriel Magalhaes to be going missing on duty. You say when they get this injury, they will never know the severity or how serious it is, whether I go play or not go play. I don't really know, but this is not the right time because this Crystal Palace, the way they set up, they know they press high. Now that midfield, they set up a mid block. You get mid block, and they rush your wingers. You get, and them they be one of the fastest sides when it comes to counter attacking football. So then good on their own. They get physicality, but we said will be Babanla for physicality. So I know they fear that physicality. But you see the breaks because they go chill. You get counter-attacking football. And it's my Lassa, you get John Felipe Mateta. They get many, many good players, and all their main players then did. But that no mean say we no fit knack them back. Get because we have the X factor in the very cheesy, yes, that understands how to play against them. So most see how the game will be, yes, but this Gabriel Magalhaes, it's a cause for concern. And this Bukayo Saka, although I get confidence in nothing to Bukayo Saka, say person no appear for picture, no me say something control. So more just to watch. Now, Pep Guardiola did a press conference and said something interesting. When you watch Pep press conference, Pep say he's sure for him. Say he get this feeling. Say Arsenal no go lose plenty games. They no go lose many games. They no go drop many points. People going to talk saying a mind game. If I will look at the headline for this particular, because at the video of Haters TV, I screenshot this thing. If you look at the headline, they talk and there mind game. Pep Guardiola does title mind game. See, okay, make I take other people who report the story. The Metro, they said Pep said, I have a feeling. Pep Guardiola makes new Arsenal and Liverpool title prediction. So for Arsenal, he said in the Premier League, I have a feeling now Arsenal is not going to drop much points. Guardiola said ahead of Man City's trip to Arsenal. So that is the reality. I have that feeling with Arsenal. Now, why people they talk say na mind game? I don't really understand. This is an objective fact. I be sure you think say Arsenal will drop many points this season with the way we are playing. Where we say people no even feel score, not to talk of very short on target. You think we will drop more points? I don't think so. So Pep can see it. Not be everything where the rival manager talk be mind game. Mind game now when somebody talk something wey be say necessarily no be true, but you can talk am like say na objective fact. But no say yes, you just dey hype you falsely. This is an objective truth. Arsenal will not drop many points this season. Factos. Nobody supposed to dey argue am say oh mind game, mind game, mind game. Papa, Pep know wetin dey talk. Why do you think Pep came to the every stadium and set up a low block? Because he knows that this team is a different team. Our team, we good that you get. So the earlier you understand that, the better it gets. Look at Liverpool. The statistics are out. Liverpool in 38 games last season, they lost 4 games. Liverpool in 9 games this season, they've lost 4 games. Chelsea said the tide, the turn. For you to say, and slots, Babawa clueless. I go see come because I get many reports about and slots with the down. Now, for this particular game we won't play against Crystal Palace, when you check the Arsenal website, you will see this pre-match report, the preview of Arsenal and Crystal Palace. So let's unpack it. Now, they say we have won 5 of our last 6 Premier League meetings with Crystal Palace, though the exception was a 2-2 draw in the exact feature last season where they come here collect 2-2 draw. Now, Palace have conceded 19 goals across their last 6 Premier League games against us, an average of 3.2 per game. We have only lost 2 of our last 71 Premier League games when we have started the top of the day at the top of the table. Now, since the start of April, the Eagles have drawn 9 Premier League matches, 3 more than anyone else. We have not faced a single shot on target in either of our last 2 Premier League matches. Our record since 2003-2004, the only side to go 3 games in a row facing just 1 shot on target. Now Man City get without facing a shot on target, now Man City, so we try to equal Man City record get. For now, we dey lead the race for corner with the score goals to corner. Everybody know that one. Now, Adrian Clark, when you observe this Crystal Palace, Crystal Palace they play 3-4-2-1 formation. So this is relatively a low possession outfit. Crystal Palace no dey do say they wan follow you on the fight for possession. No. They average the 3rd lowest share of the ball, 41% in the division. But once the Eagles win the ball back, they come alive in a flash. Now, they don't press high, but they press in the middle, that's mid-block. And wide areas, they are superb at applying pressure. In fact, Glasner's men currently rank 2nd for the most tackles. For you don't say they're very, very aggressive. They rank 3rd for high-intensity pressure and 3rd for interceptions. No Premier League side can match the direct speed of the attack at 2.13 meters per second. They dey very, very fast when it comes to counter-attack. So make you understand what we won't face this time around for this match. Get. That's why when you look at our last 5 games at the Emirates Stadium, you go see they get 3 draw. No be fluke. Now because then they always come with a game plan and they execute them well. Get. Now, in the midst of all these statistics, Gabriel Martinelli has more league goals against Crystal Palace than any other side. He has 6 goals than any other 6, with 5 goals coming across his last 6 games. Now, does this mean Martinelli should start this game against Crystal Palace? Nobody Martinelli. Trossard said loves to play Crystal Palace. Trossard has netted in each of his last 2 Premier League starts against the Eagles. He has, in fact, Trossard has never ended on the losing side when scoring for us in the competition. 21 games. Yes. Martinelli only say any match Martinelli score, we know they lose. So when you look at all these things, well, for me, Martinelli making it come from behind. But Trossard they a rich vein of form. In fact, some of them they a rich vein of form. But for me personally, I prefer Trossard to start between the 2. Then Martinelli come from behind. And my own personal, you get a different opinion on that. Now, Brentford fans, and then beat Liverpool, the point until you are getting sacked in the morning. Away from that, so Liverpool now don't concede within 15 minutes in their last 4 Premier League games. 9 minutes against Crystal Palace, 14 minutes against Chelsea, 2 minutes against Manchester United, 5 minutes against Brentford. Yes. In fact, do you know that Liverpool now in the last 9 games that they never even keep clean sheets. After the match, and Slot said something why I feel say if to say na Arteta make this statement, the media for don call for him head. And Slot said the teams, instead they talk this in every day, the teams now have a certain playing style against us, which is a very good strategy to play against us. And we have not found an answer yet. Also, it's not an excuse, but playing so many away games didn't help. Imagine seeing Arteta make this type of statement. You give an excuse. You now said it's not an excuse. It's just like somebody saying, with all due respect, and goes forward to disrespect you. Now, waiting slots just do now. But just they give excuse. He's clueless at the moment. In fact, somebody said he needs your club to come help him assemble all these new players so he buy again, so that he will come take over from him. Because it is showing now that he doesn't know what he's doing. Then they interview Virgil van Dijk. Baba say they disappointed. Say this time no be time for people to blame set piece. You blame the defenders. You blame the civic. Everybody will follow and celebrate last season. Come stay with them now. Come dey their back when they support them. Look at that statistics I put out. Say last season they lost 4 games totality. This season after 9 games they don't lose 4 already. So Van Dijk say now we need all the people who were celebrating with us last year to be with us now even more. How did they say this guy is the best defender of the world? I mean, like when after they see what they happen, I say how Liverpool haven't kept the clean sheet in any of the last 9 games, and they say this guy is the best defense. When I know they're starting to celebrate the Romagales, I don't want to hear this Van Dijk. This Van Dijk now past glory. And past glory that they celebrate this guy. That's just the way me I look at it. Now, let's bring you a message from one of our sponsors, Mr. Jonas, who has this Acura ZDX 2010 model. The mileage is 118,213 kilometers, 100% accident free, extremely clean vehicle, slightly used locally. The location of this car now will be Imo State. So the price at 12 million naira. So if you're interested, contact Mr. Jonas on 00393846004. These are other pictures of the car. That's the engine, that's the bolt, that's the interior, the leather interior. So if you're interested in this piece of beauty, please don't hesitate and give him a call. Also, Mr. Uche has this Toyota RAV4 2007 model American spec. This is a Tokumbo car, 6-cylinder engine, 5-seat capacity. The mileage is 110,225 kilometers. The location is Lagos. The car is very, very affordable. Mr. Uche wants to sell 10 million naira. So if you're interested in this car, contact Mr. Uche on WhatsApp 0703886966. So the number is at the bottom of your screen. So if you're interested, please give him a call, contact him on WhatsApp strictly, because now I can say all this kind of people now Yankee the feed now, so they say WhatsApp strictly, so that everywhere will go up. Now these are other pictures of the car. This is the engine, very neat. So if you're interested, do give him a contact on WhatsApp. Now, away from that, so I stumbled upon this picture this morning while I was doing research. So Jack Wilshere, he won his first game as a permanent first team manager. Yes, I think that was yesterday. I've been at today. As Luton win 1-0 against Northampton. So I watched the video. So in with the fans, when they celebrate, they're very, very happy. They were in high spirits. I say, yes, God don't do it for him. So let him continue in this trajectory and continue winning and doing very, very well. Who knows? Maybe they will gain promotion, go to a higher league. So that way, me I did look at. Now, we're going to see another report from Transfer News Live that Endrick's representatives recently met with Real Madrid officials, where it was agreed that he would leave on loan in January. So the Brazilian, they eager to depart Spain and is pushing for a move to a club competing in the Champions League. The 19-year-old hasn't played a single minute of football under Xabi Alonso. So instead of the recent World Cup, he won't leave. You see, yesterday I was talking about the Jesus. People say, oh, they talk all this, they talk bad about the Jesus, this and that. See, I'm looking out for him. Because if you say you want to play World Cup football, you should not be playing cameo appearances. At Arsenal, whether you like it or yes, Gabriel Jesus is not the first name in the pecking order of strikers at Arsenal. Is it the second name in the pecking order of strikers? That is debatable. Because for me, in the eyes of Arteta, I would say it's Kai Havertz. You can say this Gabriel Jesus, that one is debatable. Yes, no wala. But the first name is not there. Why do you think Endrick is clamoring to leave? Why do you think Thomas Tuchel told Michael Skelly, say, see, if you don't play regularly, you don't go come. We don't go carry you go World Cup. Why do you think he's saying so? Do you think in my Kelly's mind, he no one become the first team in the pecking order of left backs to play regularly? Do you think by playing as a second choice, second fiddle, you only play maybe Champions League, maybe in the league, you come in to cameo appearances? Do you think that will lead him to World Cup? That is what I'm saying. If you want to be a regular, you have to go somewhere else on loan, like what Endrick wants to do. If Nami be brother, I won't think about the tell him. You will not be at Arsenal playing cameo appearances and you expect Carlo Ancelotti to call you. How hard is this to understand? Tori Olorun. Don't be saying me I hate Gabriel Jesus. You get, but this is the objective fact. If he won't go World Cup, like he said it, he has been there the last 2 World Cups. He wants to go to the 3rd one. How do you think playing for Arsenal, cameo appearances, will help him go there? Like, for me, I don't understand. Now, he said today match, Charles Watts when they talk plenty. Charles Watts say for him, Saka go play because he don't do research, conduct many people. He no hear anywhere where they talk say Saka get injury. So the only thing he say, as Saka no dey available for the pictures, people can assume. So, but for him, he still get believe say nothing do the boy. He gets. So he get believe say Saka go dey available, say Saka go play. So that one said day. Now for Gabriel Magalhaes, he say he get believe say Magalhaes go dey available. Say that's why I know this serious enough. But in case he can't no play, in the killing interested in seeing what Ateta will do. The next step. Are we going to play Pero Hincapi? Are we going to play Mosquera? Are we drafting like in the interested in seeing what will happen? Don't forget, I think Ben White is back also. So many dynamics, many things. Are we going to see Calafiori come back here? Maybe Timber will go to the left, Ben White to play on the right, or Mazuskali? Like, this is why we have all the options we have, why we bought all the players we bought, why we have a rich squad. So that when things like this happen, we don't go really think am too much. The reason because they think am somehow they dey concerned that because Crystal Palace are in a rich vein of form. They have this historical record at the Emirates Stadium. They love to come here and draw. You get so, and when Liverpool don't drop points, we say we no go want make this just go like that. We want to take advantage. We want to win. You get so that's why we look say okay, that's our area threat. We no want miss am. You get so that's just the thing. And that Felipe Mateta, when somebody go fit handle am, and I believe Magalhaes is built to handle him. So now the issue there. But no wahala, I'm going to see. Now anytime soon now lineup will come outside, yes, maybe that kind of 2 o'clock. Lineup will drop. So my dear Salova has been a message from Mobi World Associates and Co. Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you call them on +234 80 34 and they're located at number 7 Kenny Road, or Razi, or Police and Civil Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, please do reach out to them. So the biggest news of the day, that in fact, Martinelli said one win everything, Premier League, FA Cup, League Cup, Champions League, one pack all of them, they go house, and rightfully so, I didn't back country. So with that being said, I think the 5 days also called the show at the end. Like come your way later in the afternoon when we open the studios or the pre-match analysis of the match between Arsenal and Palace and the Emirates Stadium. And then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out and happy Sunday.